Namaskar. Hello everyone, this is Savio, Creative Director and Founder of CHA Foundation Yoga. Today our concept is how to control the body weight during the festival time, because as we all know, in Indian festivals we have different type of food habits, especially sweets and all. So this time we need a lot of cardio exercise, but because of pandemic we are not able to go out do jogging, running or playing outdoor sports. So I came with a new idea to do the cardio yoga. So this is a very basic concept. Basic practitioners also can do. It's not a very difficult concept. It's a concept where we are repeatedly doing the same exercise for 2-3 times, and we are focusing few things for the strength. And mostly you can see during this 40-45 minute session you will lose a lot of calorie, you will feel very tired, and overall you will do a strength exercise. So both way it will help you to lose your calorie, and our target out of this 40 minutes, our target to achieve minimum 300 to 450 calorie we should lose. So it's depend on your effort, how much effort you will put, that much calorie you can lose. So please subscribe our channel and get more videos like this in future, and I hope you will like this concept. Try to finish the entire workout, because warm up, exercise and cool down, all three are important. So you should not finish the workout and you give up. You should finish the cool down completely, do the savasana, take rest, then only you will get the fulfillness of this workout. So we'll start here. Sitting down in Sukhasana for 30 seconds. Prepare for the practice. Release the shoulder and neck, but extended spine. Okay, slowly open your eyes, rub the hands. Over your face. Okay, we'll start the practice. We'll do first warm up, then we'll practice the power yoga session, then we'll do the cool down. Breathing in, reach out, hold, and breathe out, come down, bend forward down. Breathe in, come up, again reach out. Find the extension extremely up from your core, through your spine, till your hand. And bend down. Come back, reach out, bend the body on right side, come back, bend the body on left side, come back and release. Again breathe in, reach out the hands and going down. Now 5 rounds we'll do up and down with the extended hand. Go down 1, come back, go down 2, come back, go down 3, come back, breathing out, going down, come back, and reach out, more extension and look up. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and coming back. Again, breathing in and breathe out, going opposite side. 5 rounds, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in, breathe out. Now hold for 5 counts. And come back. Bend the body back. Reach out. Look up. Push the chest forward. Hold the stomach in. Push the shoulder backward. Hold. Hold. And come back. Bend the body forward down. Extend the hands up. And hold. And come back and release. Extend the hand, reach out and twist your body on right. Reach out, hold the body, twist on left. And come back. Do a gentle neck rotation. Reverse. And roll the shoulder back. Roll the shoulder back. Roll the shoulder front. And release. Come to cat posture. This warm-up pattern is very important to open up the body. Then only you should push forward for the strength and stamina. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Go back to Parvata. Press the Parvata. Press the Parvata. Extended breathing. Make the knee straight. Extended flat back. Then try to touch the heels on the floor. And then push the body more inward. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 3, 4, 5, and come back to Padahastasana. Together, both the legs. Grab the hands. Extended flat back. Head in. And look up. Slowly come up with a flat back, extended flat, and roll the back, hunch, and come back. And twist, twist, twist. Pelvis rotation. And reverse and release. So now we'll do the cardio stuff. So first we'll start with the cardio yoga, which is nothing more than repeating the Surya Namaskar every position 3 times each, and that's going to be very effective. In that way you will build the stamina and same time your strength. Stand in Samasthiti. Breathe in, Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe out, Padahastasana. 3 times. Breathe in, Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe out, Padahastasana. Breathe in, Hasta Uttanasana. Padahastasana. Take the right leg back, Ashwasanchalan. Now use the left leg. Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga. Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga. Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga. Now Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. 3 times. Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. One more last. Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. Now Parvata, take the right leg forward, Ashwasanchalan. Parvata, take the right leg forward, Ashwasanchalan. Parvata, take the right leg forward, Ashwasanchalan. Now Ashwasanchalan, Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Samasthiti. We'll do 9 more repetitions, so that's going to be very challenging. Breathe in, Hasta Uttanasana, Padahastasana. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Take the left leg back. Control the right. Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga. Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga. Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga. Now Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. Now Parvata, take the left forward, Ashwasanchalan. Parvata, take the left leg, Ashwasanchalan. Parvata, take the left leg, Ashwasanchalan. Now Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasana. Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasana. Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Samasthiti. So if you go a little faster than this, that's going to be more challenging in terms of stamina. So we'll do 4 rounds, 4 more rounds in the same speed. Then we'll go a little faster. Breathe in, Hasta Uttanasana, Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Padahastasana. Inhale, exhale. Left leg back. Sorry, right leg back. Right back. Now left leg, Chaturanga. Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga. Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga. Now Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. Now right leg, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan. Right, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan. Right, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan. Padahasta, Hasta Uttanasana. Padahasta, Hasta Uttanasana. Padahasta, Hasta Uttanasana, Samasthiti. Round 3. 7 more rounds we should go. Breathe in, Hasta Uttanasana, Padahastasana. Hasta Uttanasana, Padahastasana. Hasta Uttanasana, Padahastasana. Left leg back, Ashwasanchalan. Now right leg, Chaturanga. Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga. Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga. Now Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. 1. Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. 2. Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. 3. Now left leg, Ashwasanchalan, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan. Padahasta, Hasta Uttanasana. Padahasta, Hasta Uttanasana. Padahasta, Hasta Uttanasana, Samasthiti. This way your body is going to gain lot of strength. Same time you are working on stamina. Also your flexibility skill also working very good way. So we did 4, we have to finish 6 more. Next 2 will go same speed, last 4 will go a little faster. Right leg, breathe in Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana. Inhale, exhale, Hastuttanasana, right leg back. Now left, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. Now your right leg, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan. Then Padasta, Hastuttanasana, Padasta, Hastuttanasana, Padasta, Hastuttanasana, Samastitihi. Fifth one, last one, slow one, left side, breathe in Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana. Left leg back, control the right, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga. Now 3 times, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. Now left leg, Ashwasanchalan, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Samastitihi. Okay, now next 4 rounds we are going to go a little faster than this speed, and same concept, breathe in and breathe out should be same, only we are going to increase the speed. So you can feel your heartbeat is increasing slowly. That's why this is kind of cardio, but we are doing through yoga. Ready? Samastitihi. Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana. Right leg back, left leg, Chaturanga, Ashwasanchalan, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. Left leg, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan, Padasta, Hastuttanasana, Padasta, Hastuttanasana, Padasta, Hastuttanasana, Samastitihi. 7, last 3. Now left side, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana. Left leg back, right leg, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata 1, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata 2, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata 3. Now left leg, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan 1, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan 2, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan 3. Padasta, Hastuttana, Padasta, Hastuttana, Padasta, Hastuttana, Samastitihi. Last 2 rounds, right and left, Samastitihi, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana, Hastuttanasana, Padahastasana. Right leg back, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga, Ashwasanchalan, Chaturanga. Now Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata. Now left leg, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan, Padastha, Hasta Uttanasana, Padastha, Hasta Uttanasana, Padastha, Hasta Uttanasana, Samasthitihi. Last round on your left, Hasta Uttanasana, Padasthasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Padasthasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Padasthasana. Left leg back, Ashwasanchalan, Ashwasanchalan Chaturanga, right, Ashwasanchalan Chaturanga, control on your right, Ashwasanchalan Chaturanga. Now Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, 1, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, 2, Ashtanga, Bhujanga, Parvata, 3. Now left leg, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan 1, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan 2, Parvata, Ashwasanchalan 3, Padastha, Hasta Uttanasana, Padastha, Hasta Uttanasana, Padastha, Hasta Uttanasana, Samasthitihi. For rest, please go down, sit in Vajrasana and catch your breath. Go for extended breathing. You can feel your heart rate is very high now. It's more or less 125, 126 average. Get up. Now we'll start a new sequence based on power yoga. This sequences I only designed based on Surya Namaskar only, where we have repetitive postures to get the strength, and if you do again and again strength, your stamina will definitely improve. So we have to do minimum 2 rounds, maximum 4 rounds of each sequence. Stand in front of the mat, Samasthitihi. Breathe in Hasta Uttanasana. Try to bend the body as much as you can. Go to Padasthasana. Hold, hold, hold. Now lift the right leg up. Lift the right leg up. Hands down. Now bend the left leg. Bend the left leg. Sit 1 and come back straight. Bend 2. Come back straight. Bend 3. Come back straight. Bend 4. Come back straight. Last one. Bend 5. Come back straight. And go to Ashwasanchalan. Now Ashwasanchalan. Go to Ardha Chandrasana. Anjaneyasana 1. Ardha Chandrasana. Anjaneyasana 2. Ardha Chandrasana. Anjaneyasana 3. Ardha Chandrasana. Anjaneyasana 4. Ardha Chandrasana. Anjaneyasana 5. Come to Chaturanga. Now we'll go 5 rounds push-ups over here. Come to Chaturanga. Go down 1. Come back. Go down 2. Come back. Go down 3. Come back. Try to not bend the pelvis. Try to not arch the back. Make it hunch and twist the hip. Go down 4. Last one. Go down 5. Come back and go to Ashtanga. Hold Ashtanga. Come to Bhujanga. Go back to Parvata. Take the left leg forward. Take the left leg forward. Ardha Chandrasana. Anjaneyasana 1. Ardha Chandrasana. Ardha Chandrasana 2. Ardha Chandrasana, sorry, Anjaneyasana. Go, inhale, bend back, exhale, front bend. Last one, inhale, exhale, and come to Padahastasana. Extend the right leg up, stand on the left, bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch. Come to Padahastasana. Come to Padahastasana. Hastuttanasana, come up. And Samasthiti. Samasthiti, Hastuttanasana. Bend back. Padahastasana. Lift the left leg up. Make the straight left. Bend, stretch 1. Bend, stretch 2. Bend, stretch 3. Bend, stretch 4. Bend, stretch 5. Drop the left leg back. Ardha Chandrasana. Anjaneyasana. Ardha Chandrasana. Anjaneyasana. Ardha Chandrasana. Anjaneyasana. Two more. Ardha Chandrasana. Anjaneyasana. Ardha Chandrasana. Anjaneyasana. And come to Chaturanga. So we'll do 5 rounds Chaturanga to Dandasana, 5 push-up. With the flat pelvis, squeeze the hip, make the pelvis tuck in. Hunch back, going down. 1, come up. Go down. 2, come up. If you find this is difficult, you can drop the knee and continue the same thing. 3, come up. Or you can do the knee up. 4, come up. 5, come up. And going down to Ashtanga. Breathe in, breathe out. Going down to Ashtanga. And hold. Slide the body forward with breathing. You come up to Bhujanga. And go back to Parvata. Go back to Parvata. Take the left leg forward. Take the left leg forward. Ardha Chandrasana. Anjaneyasana 1. Ardha Chandrasana. Ardha Chandrasana 2. Ardha Chandrasana, sorry. Anjaneyasana. Go. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, front bend. Last one. Inhale, exhale, and come to Padahastasana. Extend the right leg up, stand on the left, bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch. Come to Padahastasana. Come to Padahastasana. Hastuttanasana, come up. And Samasthiti. And rest. So you can see heartbeat is actually increasing, which is very healthy because it's increasing gradually. You are sweating a lot and same time you are feeling very tired because you are losing a lot of calorie because of the repetition with the strength. Now we'll start the similar concept, variation, another variation, number 2, stand in Samasthiti. Breathe in Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe out Padahastasana. Continue. And lift the right leg up. This time you sit completely, fold the leg and again extend. Fold, extend, fold, extend, fold, extend, fold, extend, and drop the leg down and sit in Ashwasanchalan. Now do the Ardha Chandrasana and twist the body. 1. Ardha Chandrasana, twist the body towards the right. 2. Ardha Chandrasana, twist the body on right. 3. Ardha Chandrasana, twist the body on right. 4. Ardha Chandrasana, twist the body on right. 5. And going down to Chaturanga. So when you come to Chaturanga, draw the left hand down, lift the right hand up to Vasishthasana. Okay? Now go 1, extend, 2, extend, 3, extend, 4, extend, 5, extend. Come to Ashtanga. So Ashtanga is a resting pose. Catch the breath. Come up to Bhujanga. Come back to Parvata. Press the Parvatasana. Take the right leg forward. The same concept. Ardha Chandrasana and twist the body. Ardha Chandrasana, 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 twist the body and come down to Padahastasana with left leg up. Now same concept. Bend the right. 1, extend, 2, extend, 3, extend, 4, extend, 5, extend, and Padahastasana. So however you feel tired, try to finish the sequence. Hasta Uttanasana and Samastitihi and rest. So in between each sequence you can have 20 to 30 second rest. Samastitihi, Hasta Uttanasana. Padahastasana. Take the left leg up. Now going down and coming up 5 rounds. Going 1, extend, 2, extend, 3, extend, 4, extend, 5, extend, and go down. Sit in Ashwasanchalan. Go to Ardha Chandrasana and twist. Ardha Chandrasana, twist. Ardha Chandrasana, twist. Ardha Chandrasana, twist. Ardha Chandrasana, twist. Come down. Drop the right hand down. Left hand up. Down. Vasishthasana extension 1. Down. Extension 2. Down. Extension 3. Down. Extension 4. Down. Extension 5. And come down to Ashtanga. Ashtanga is basically a resting pose. Here. And hold. Bhujanga. Go back to Parvata. Go back to Parvata. Hold the Parvata. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the left leg forward. Ashwa Sanchalan. Now Ardha Chandrasana. Twist 1. Ardha Chandrasana. Twist 2. Ardha Chandrasana. Twist 3. Ardha Chandrasana. Twist 4. Ardha Chandrasana. Twist 5. Come to Padhasta. Lift the right leg up. Bend. Stretch. Bend. Stretch. Bend. Stretch. Bend. Stretch. Bend. Stretch. Come to Padhasta. Hold. Come up. Hastuttanasana. And Samasthiti. So today we'll do only these two sequences. Slowly we'll increase. Sit in Sukhasana. Try to catch the breath. So the heartbeat is almost close to 150. We already work out almost like 295, almost 300 calorie. Also it's depend on how much effort you are putting. If you are doing very much, like you are putting a lot of effort, your calorie you will lose more faster and more bigger amount. But same thing, if you do a little light, your calorie will be less, your losing calorie amount will be less. So try to push yourself extreme hard. Now we have to do the cool down. So mainly we have to release the lower back, we have to release the shoulder, we have to release the spine, and we have to release the legs. And the neck and shoulder, all these supportive things are there. So first cool down. We're lying down on Makarasana. Makarasana for 30 seconds. Keep breathing normal. Release your spine completely. Don't hold, don't engage. And release going down. Now go to Bhujangasana with bending elbow. Now make the elbow straight, look up. And go back to child pose. And come back. Sit down. Do Ardha Matsyendrasana. Twist, extended spine, keep breathing. Come back, opposite side, twist, and come back. Cross hand side bend. Hold the right hand on the left knee, extend the left hand up and bend the body on right. Elbow straight, more extension and come back. Change your side, opposite hand, reach out and go down, hold. Come back and release. Stretch your neck. Look down, stretch your neck. Release. Opposite side, stretch your neck. Look down, stretch your neck. And release. Neck rotation. So cool down is very important. You should not miss the cool down after doing any form of exercise. And reverse. And release. Shoulder rotation. Reverse. And go down to Savasana. Complete release, Savasana. Be there in Savasana for next 5 to 7 minutes. Your palm should be facing the ceiling. Release your body completely. Inhale, you expand your body. Exhale and release.